Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing the lazy girl method. So I'm going to be showing you how to apply full cover gel X dupes using the Born Pretty solid extension gel. So this is it in the colour soft nude. A beautiful colour this is. Look at this colour. This is the first company that I've seen to do an actual proper soft nude. I really like that colour. So I've prepped and primed and base coated my nails all off camera, so we're all ready to go. So I've applied it into the full cover tip and I'm just using my cuticle pusher there to push it into that tip. And now I'm using the brush. I've not got no liquid on my brush. If you find it does stick a little bit to your brush, just add a little bit of water. But I didn't have any trouble, so now I'm using that cuticle scraper now because I want this to be a nail bed. So I'm just getting that nail bed in the shape that I want it. And then I'll go back in again with my brush and just make sure it's all nice and neat, all nice and even. And it's pushed right up to the edge of those side walls. And make sure you keep that cuticle area nice and thin as well, guys. So then once I'm happy with that, I shall take that off the tip stand and stick that to a ring fingernail. Now this product is a really stiff product, so you do have to apply quite a lot of pressure on there to make sure that it's sticking to your nail plate. Then any extra that leaks out at the sides and around the cuticle, I do try and push that back under as much as I can. And then any that won't go back under, I just get my cuticle scraper and just scrape that excess away. I'm not too worried about the excess because I can get rid of most of that when I'm filing anyway. So once I'm happy with that, make sure it's nice and straight, and then I shall pop that in the lamp for a 60-second cure. Now I'm onto the pinky nail, and I'm going to apply that to the whole of this tip. And I'll just start off by stretching it out as much as I can with my cuticle pusher first. And then I'll go in with my brush and tidy it up, make sure it's all nice and neat, nice and smooth. Make sure it's all pushed up to them side walls. I really like this solid extension gel. I find it so easy to use. I'm really enjoying using it. It's not sticky, there's no cleanup required. It's a really quick application. Yeah, I'm really enjoying it. So again, I'm just going to stick that to the nail. Make sure it's all nice and straight. And then make sure there's no excess. And then pop it in the lamp. So now I've pulled out my pot of rhinestone gel and I'm going to be doing the ice on the tip of the ring fingernail. Now the reason I use this product is because it cures without a tacky layer. It just saves me having to try and top coat it underneath the nail. You don't really want to be top coating this because once you start putting top coat on, you start losing that ice effect because it goes into the dips. Now I've pulled out a bit of clear plastic wrap. I could have done with like a sandwich bag really. This was a little bit too thick. It kept popping back up. This is why I had to kind of hold it in with my thumbnail, because if I didn't hold it in, it just kept popping back up and it wasn't creasing very well either. But it worked. I made it work in the end. So now I cured that for 60 seconds and now I'm just going to pull that off and we have an ice nail. Look at that. I love that effect. It looks so cool. So now we're going to get these all filed. So I've pulled out this diamond drill bit and it is crap, let me tell you. But I'd forgot that I'd got this new cuticle bit. So I just wanted to show you this first, how crap it is. It's barely even taken any off. So I'm only doing around the cuticle. It doesn't really need a lot of filing at all anyway, but the sides I shall do with a hand file. Right, let's do away with that drill bit and let's get my better one out. So this is a Crediu drill bit, which is a store on Amazon, and it's called a safety barrel ball top drill bit. It's a fine grit, but it is really, really good. Look at how it's getting that cuticle all nice and flush. I really enjoyed using it. I think this is definitely going to be my go-to bit. So I'll just show you me doing this nail and the middle nail, guys. I'm not going to show you me doing every nail because I don't want it to get too repetitive. And that's them all filed. What do you think? I love that colour, you know. That colour is beautiful. I really like that. And I love the ice nails. Yeah, I like them. So everything that I've used today, guys, I shall leave listed in my description box below, along with any discount codes that I've got. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.